straight from Haryana. Well, ED takes Sonipat Congress MLA Surendra Pawar in their custody. ED is in fact taking Pawar to their office in Ambala. Arunima continues to stay on with us over this development as well. Arunima, please tell us what exactly is the reason behind ED having their claws on him. Alright, I think we lost connection with Arunima over there. We'll try to reconnect those lines and bring you more details with regards to this particular development. But as of now, the word that we have received from our sources is that ED has taken Sonipat Congress MLA Surendra Pawar in their custody. At this point of time, they are taking Pawar to their office in Ambala as well. We bring you the detail as well. Arunima is back with us on the broadcast. In fact, Arunima, I was asking, could you please cite the reason behind ED having their claws on this Congress MLA?
There is an illegal probe that is being carried out by the Enforcement Directorate, and the latest arrests have been carried out in connection with that. They first raided him and questioned him and found enough reason for custodial interrogation. So he was taken to the Ambala office of the Enforcement Directorate. He is likely to be produced in court and further custody sought. His son also is in the crosshairs of the Enforcement Directorate. We are told that, the family, all the members of the family were searched by the Enforcement Directorate, and we are waiting to know from them if they have found anything substantial. Prima facie, we are told that there are, digital devices and documents which suggest that this illegal mining that was allegedly being carried out, the proceeds of that were laundered by the MLA and the family.
Right. Arunima, please stay with us. CNN News 18's Anshul Singh is also joining us on the broadcast. Anshul, a very good morning to you. Please take us through all the key highlights with regards to the previous investigations which were held against this Congress MLA.
Well, yes, this entire investigation was actually taken up by the Enforcement Directorate last year after several FIRs that were filed against the accused, that is Sonipat MLA Surendra Pawar, and along with him former MLA from Haryana, Dilbag Singh as well. Once these FIRs were filed, then this entire case was actually taken over by the Enforcement Directorate, and now the accusation, basically the accusation against them is that they were conducting illegal minings. And in fact, in the investigation, it was also covered that not only illegal excavations and sale of minerals by various cleaning plants of owners and stone crushers was being done from Yamunanagar, but it also involved evasion tactics such as not generating proper bills and producing fake physical copies to avoid detection as well. So definitely there was a large conspiracy that was ongoing to churn out money from illegal mining that was being carried out. Now today the Sonipat MLA, after being initially interrogated by Enforcement Directorate, he has now finally been arrested, and as we speak at this point in time, he is being taken to the Enforcement Directorate office in Ambala. Definitely, the troubles for him is increasing because before today as well, when these raids were initially carried out in the month of January, at that point in time, at least 20 locations were raided by the Enforcement Directorate, and from there, unaccounted cash of approximately 5.29 crores and gold worth rupees almost 2 crores was taken into custody. And now at that point also there were several physical evidences that was taken into custody by the Enforcement Directorate, electronic evidences that was taken into custody. Now today as well, after the initial interrogation, the electronic devices of the accused Surendra Pawar has also been taken into custody. It remains to be seen once he is actually produced before the court as to for how many days will the ED custody be granted, and what further details can the ED now churn out from the accused.
Right, Anshul and Arunima, thank you so much for walking us through all those crucial updates with regards to that story.